Hello students. Welcome back to class. Our topic this time is metrics. I am sure you are curious about what we have to learn today. Let's look at what we learned in our previous lesson. In our last lesson, we talked about how to rationalize sorts, and also how to find the conjugates of binomial sorts. Now, let us look at our objectives for today's lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Define metrics, and state the order of matrices. 2. Know the types of matrices. Follow me, as we learn together. A matrix is defined as the rectangular array of numbers, arranged in rows and columns, enclosed in brackets. Note: rows are the horizontal lines of elements in a matrix, running from left to right, while columns are the vertical lines of elements in a matrix, running from top to bottom. For example, matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That means it has 3 rows and 3 columns. And matrix B, which is equal to 1, 3, and 3, 2, has 2 rows and 2 columns. Now, let us look at the order of a matrix. The order of the matrix gives its size in terms of rows and columns. The number of rows is always written first. For example, in this matrix, 1, 3, 4, 3, 6, 2. The rows are 1, 3, 4, and 3, 6, 2. And the columns are 1 and 3, 3 and 6, 4 and 2. Therefore, we can say that it is a 2 by 3 matrix, having 2 rows and 3 columns. Also, in the matrix 5, 6, 3, 2, 6, 7, 2, 1, 5, we can say that this is a 3 by 3 matrix order of 3 rows and 3 columns, where the rows are 5, 6, 3, 2, 6, 7, and 2, 1, 5. And the columns are 5, 2, 2, 6, 6, 1, and 3, 7, 5. That's very good. Now, we will look at some of the types of matrix. Now, let us look at the types of matrix. They include 1. The row matrix. This is a matrix that has a single row. For example, matrix A is equal to, open matrix bracket, -2, 3 and 5, close matrix bracket. Also, matrix P is equal to 4, 9 and 0. Notice that the numbers or elements in the row matrix are separated by a comma. 2. The column matrix. This is a type of matrix that has only one column. For example, matrix C is equal to 4, 3 and 9. 3. The square matrix. This is a matrix with the same number of rows and columns. That is, M is equal to N. For example, in the matrix below, the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Therefore, it is called a square matrix. 4. Zero matrix. This is a type of matrix where all the elements are 0. For example, in the matrix below, all the numbers are 0. So we can say that it is a 2 by 3 zero matrix. That's very good. Let's take some assignment. Assignment. Write down the following assignments and try solving them yourself. Give 2 examples each of the following listed. Remember to take your time. And don't feel bad if you did not get it right the first time. In conclusion, we have learnt the meaning of matrix and its order, and also some of the types of matrix. Watch out for our next lesson, where we will talk about addition and subtraction of matrices. Always remember, learning is a journey. See you in the next class. Thanks, and goodbye.